This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about cake pop stands, specifically this ClearTech cake pop holder. It's a clear acrylic stand that has 15 slots, and it's 7 3/4 inches long by 6 inches deep, and it's about 2 inches high. It has these great little slots here for putting in your sticks, and you can see we're using it with the 6-inch orange spiral sticks that are 5/32 of an inch wide. And those easily go in there, and you have the hole at the top and also a corresponding one at the bottom. So it's going to keep the bottoms of those sticks in place even when there's that heavy weight of the pop on top, keeping them nice and upright for a really neat, clean display. So these stands are going to be compatible with those RW line of biodegradable sticks, so you're going to have lots of fun choices there to pair with them as well. The holders are shatterproof and easy to wipe down between uses, making them great for the display of your cake pops, but also it's going to be a fantastic tool to use when making them as well, because oftentimes once you dip them, there's some nice little time there that you have to wait for those to set up before you could actually lay them down on a surface. So having a holder to set them in while they set up, firm up, and become easier to handle is going to be a fantastic tool to have on hand and really speed up your cake pop making. So these are going to be great to use for those traditional cake pops, but also things like brownie, Rice Krispie, or meringue pops as well. It's recommended to hand wash this item to maintain its finish, and it's got a nice, stylish, minimalistic design that's really going to go with any kind of aesthetic or decor. It can really be dressed up or down, and it's just going to give you that illusion that those pops are just kind of hanging out there, floating on their own. So this is perfect to use in the pastry counter of a bakery, coffee shop, or cafe for the display of pops for sale, or for use by caterers and cake shops for dessert table setups and displays for events, or just to use at home if you're a big fan of cake pops and like having them at your parties.